Welcome to our Ice Maker Showdown. Today, we're comparing two popular countertop ice makers, the EUHOMY Nugget Ice Maker and the Aeitto Ice Maker. Both promise quick ice production and convenience. But how do they stack up against each other? Let's dive into the details and find out which one is the better choice for your home or office. The EUHOMY Nugget Ice Maker produces soft, chewable nugget ice, which is often preferred for its texture and ability to chill drinks quickly. In contrast, the Aeitto Ice Maker produces bullet ice, which is more traditional and commonly used in various beverages. Each type has its own advantages, depending on your preferences and usage. When it comes to daily ice production, the EUHOMY Nugget Ice Maker takes the lead with an impressive capacity of 34 pounds of ice per day, making it ideal for parties and gatherings. The Aeitto Ice Maker, while still efficient, produces 26 pounds of ice per day. This difference may be significant for those who frequently entertain guests or require larger quantities of ice. In terms of construction, the EUHOMY Nugget Ice Maker features a plastic body, which is lightweight and portable. On the other hand, the Aeitto Ice Maker boasts a stainless steel design, offering a more modern and durable appearance. This difference in materials may influence your choice based on aesthetics and durability preferences. In conclusion, both the EUHOMY Nugget Ice Maker and the Aeitto Ice Maker have their unique strengths. If you prefer nugget ice and higher daily production, the EUHOMY is the way to go. However, if you like the idea of bullet ice and a sleek stainless steel design, the Aeitto might be your best choice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.